Alive. You're welcome everyone. You're highly welcome to our Thursday live trading session. You are highly welcome. All right, so today is another brown, beautiful day. We will be trading live with you. Yeah, Mr. Matthew, you're welcome. Mr. Best, you are welcome. Official, you are welcome. You are highly welcome. You are all highly welcome. Please, I want you to state your name and where you are actually streaming from. All right. Bring that. Bring that. No, on the rest light. Bring that from here. Okay, Brian Manuel, Mr. And boss, you're welcome, sir. All right, Brian Manuel, you're welcome. Clement, you're highly welcome. From Abuja, Brian Manuel from Abuja. Mr. Emmanuel, I greet you, sir. I greet you, sir. I greet you, honorable. Mr. Matthew, you're welcome. Clement from Babalada, Abuja, you're highly welcome. You're welcome. All right. Good morning, Mr. Silas. Sandra from Cameroon, you're welcome. You are highly welcome. All right. All right. Today's another milking the forex market today. And before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Marcel Sampson, and they know me as the Pips Pilots. There is no other thing I know how to do again in the forex market than to pilot the Pips profitably. All right. Today is going to be another good one. We'll be making money. Last week was wonderful. We hit TP3 in our trades in USD card, TP3. Then in the other one, I think we hit TP2. All right. Then we lost GBP USD only. All right. So today is going to be a very wonderful day, a wonderful one. And that matter, please put me on this TV first. Very wonderful at that matter. But before we start, I want us to have this at the back of our mind. Have this at the back of our mind that this is the forex market, and I want to lay this as an instruction. No matter the trade we are calling out today, please make sure you don't risk all your capital on one trade. Make sure you don't risk all your capital on one trade. Me being the Pips pilot does not mean I don't lose trade. I lose trade so once. I lose trade so once. So please make sure you don't risk all your capital on one trade. It's not must you take all the whole trades that we'll be calling today. It's not must we you take all the whole trade that we'll be calling today. All right, so having that at the back of our minds, we okay. After this, I'm requesting for your now. It's all right. There's no problem. So forex market and see what what we have today in the forex market. All right. Um, Come, let me share my screen. Today is going to be a very wonderful day. Yeah, I can perceive it. I can perceive it. Today is going to be a very wonderful day. Just a few minutes. I'm coming. I'm sharing my screen. Just a few minutes. All right. Good. Okay. Oh, I'm coming. Just I'm tackling some technical issues here. Just next. All right. I'm seeing requests coming in already. I'm seeing USD card, USD ZAR, USD card. Okay, Euro JPY. All right. We will look on into this pairs. I'm just waiting for my trading view to open. That's what I'm waiting for now currently. Then I share my screen. Okay, back. All right. If you all can see my screen, if you all can see my screen, just comment on the comment section. Yes, I can see. I can see. I can see. If you all can see my screen, just comment on the comment section that yes, you can see. Okay. Okay. Good. I'm coming, guys. Just hold on. The network this area is actually fluctuating. Okay, good, good, good. I'm coming. Just this is fluctuating. My trading view is still loading. Trading view is still loading. All right. Yep, we are good to go. We are good to go. Ready and set. We are ready and set. Good. All right. So the first currency pair we'll be analyzing today is the Euro USD. What do we have on Euro USD? What do you have on Euro USD? From the daily time frame, let me clear my charts. Clear the air. Okay. From the daily time frame, let me put on my 20 moving average. All right. I'm seeing from the daily time frame, I'm still seeing a downtrend because it's yet to break this particular zone at this level. Let me mark it so you can see clearly. If it gets here or probably break, then I can consider a change of trend, or probably it will actually buy to this level and give us a head and shoulder on daily time frame. But my daily time frame, I use it to confirm my bias, which I'm still seeing a very strong downtrend. And on the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time on the 4 hour time frame, when looking at Euro USD, sorry, okay, I'm mainly looking at Euro USD. I'm still seeing a pure clean downtrend at this point. I'm seeing a pure clean downtrend at this point because there is actually a strong resistance. At this, there's actually a strong resistance at this zone currently. There's actually a strong resistance at this zone. And yesterday I was on a sell on this trade. It gave me 1:2 at this point. Then currently reversing back to a strong support as well. All right. So, but nevertheless, just like I said, I'm still seeing a strong downtrend on this trade. So I go down to the 1 hour time frame to see if I can see a clear or a good entry, a good entry. But what I'm seeing currently now is a kind of not good for an entry currently, not good for an entry currently. Why? Because the moment I see a bearish engulfing candle at this zone on the 1 hour time frame, I will be willing to enter for a buy, for a sell, sorry, at this zone. But let me check 15 minutes to see if I can see something good. All right. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I saw something good. I'm seeing something good on the 15 minutes time frame. Well, let us wait for a proper confirmation. Let's wait for a proper confirmation. I will wait for a proper confirmation. All right. I'll wait for a proper confirmation. But for now, I won't do anything on this pair. I won't do anything on this pair, but I will wait for a proper confirmation. for now. But before then, let me first check the DXY. It will enable me to have a clear bias on um, on this. The DXY, what is it telling me? Okay. Wow. Okay. All right. I'm in for a sell in Euro USD. I'm in for a sell in Euro USD. I'm in for a sell in Euro USD. Yeah. In for a sell in Euro USD. Good. Mr. You say you can you see my screen now? Someone say you can't see my screen. Mr. Joseph. Okay, good. All right. I said I'm in for a sell in Euro USD. I'm in for a sell in Euro USD. So you can hop in for a sell in Euro USD straight up. 30 pip stop loss. Then we are doing 1:2. 30 pip stop loss, 1:2. I'm coming. Let me check my 30 pip stop loss, 1:2. Thirty pips stop loss, 1:2. All right, I will tell you the reason why I choose sell. All right, Euro USD is very, very much correlated with DXY, like 5 and 6. No single, you can't, it can't, what is it called? Every single details on Euro USD is what you are seeing, okay? I'm coming first. Let me set my stop loss before I talk about it. 0947. All right, 30 pip stop loss. Okay, so the Excel in Euro USD is 1.0947. Excel in Euro USD 1.0947. 10, 17. Why take profit? Why take profit is 1.8570. 1.8570. 1.8570. 1.8570. Okay, let me post it here. XL is 1.0947. TP is 1.0857. All right, XL. All right, let me be very clear the reason why I choose a sell on Euro USD. Now, coming from looking at the daily time frame on Euro USD, you found out that this has gotten to this stage, and there's a strong resistance at this zone, a very strong resistance at this zone, which I'm expecting it to fall down. It's still a downtrend. Me looking at this particular trade. Then on the 4-hour time frame, you see that it's actually giving us a head and shoulder pattern. It's actually giving us a pure clean head and shoulder pattern. All right. So following the structure, and currently is sitting on. It has tested this zone 4 good times. I'm expecting it not to break. I'm expecting it to push down further. All right. Then on the 1-hour time frame, I'm seeing a clear head and shoulder pattern on this 1-hour time frame. All right. So a clear head and shoulder pattern on this 1-hour time frame. And if this particular current candlestick that is forming close as a bearish engulfing candle, then I will not even put my stop loss in 1:2 anymore. I'm going to take it straight to 1:4 or 1:6 straight up. All right. Then in the 15 minutes time frame, you are going to see the fight it has been fighting from this zone to this zone, the wicks and every other single aspect of it. Then yeah, that is just it. So, but the clear pattern I saw on the 1-hour time frame is the clear head and shoulder pattern. All right, clear head and shoulder pattern. That is where I saw it. It might probably take time to start selling, but it's going to sell. All right, good. Any other? I think the bias I just mentioned now is clear. The time frame I entered is on 15 minutes. I entered on 15 minutes. All right. Euro USD. You can still enter for a sell. Euro USD for a sell. Okay. This is the trade number 1 we picked. All right. Then GBP JPY. GBP JPY, this is one of the pair I milked since on Tuesday. When we had our inner house live trading section with our cash club 500 groups alone. All right, so this is what's one of the trade we didn't pick, but I picked it later on. But this is what it gave me 270 pips. I just closed this trade today. Okay. So, but let's check what it has for us today if we are on a go-go win. All right, with what I'm seeing currently, I won't be interested in entering this trade. But let me check. This is still an uptrend. Let me check the 4-hour time frame. Okay, nothing good per se. And before we get a clear entry on this pair, it will take time. It has already moved. Assuming it's still at this zone, I'll be ready to enter. It has already moved. It has already moved, seriously moved. So for now, I'm not seeing anything, no clear entry at this zone. Okay, what will happen is, okay, let me check. If I can see a retracement down to this zone, I'll be ready to enter again for a buy. If it can reverse back to this zone, I'm ready to enter again for a buy. back to this zone. I'm going to enter again for a buy and push it up to this level. Then this will be my take profits somewhere here. From here to here, that is what I am targeting. So if I can get a reversal from this zone down to here, I am willing to push up for a buy. Straight up, no delay. Yeah. Straight up, no single delay. Okay, but for now, I had to stay clear on this pair for now. It has not given my kind of entry. It hasn't given me my kind of entry, so I'm staying clear. And you said what time frame? What time frame on which one, please? What time frame on which one? All right. You can answer later. Let me continue with what I'm doing. So someone said we should check on. Let's see what Euro GBP have for us today. Let's see what Euro GBP has for us today. On the daily time frame, I'm still seeing a downtrend. I'm still seeing a downtrend from the daily time frame. All right. I'm still seeing a downtrend from the daily time frame. Okay. But let's check if you can scalp. Okay. On the 4-hour time frame. Okay. Okay. Seeing something good at this zone. Okay. 1 hour. All right. This is a pure sell. This is a pure sell. Let me see if I can get a good risk to reward. Okay. If I should enter a sell again, my interest is from somewhere here. I'm willing to enter a sell at this zone. That is where my interest is, to enter a sell from this zone. That is where I am interested in. Okay, but before that, let me check using the fib. Okay, yeah, that is my interest at that zone. That is my interest. Okay, I will be willing to enter a sell from this zone. To push it down to give me a good risk to reward, 20 pips stop loss. All right, so this is what I'm expecting here currently. I'm expecting here currently to keep on pushing down. The question you asked was the retracement is on what time frame on DBP JPY. The retracement I'm looking at DBP JPY is on 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, I wanted to get to this zone before I push up again. That is my bias on DBP JPY. On DBP JPY, yes. Okay, we took trade on Euro USD. We took a trade on Euro USD let's check what is actually happening there. All right, it's still fighting. Okay, then we have analyzed Euro GBP. Now let's go to AUD USD. AUD USD from the daily time frame, where the network is actually hanging these days. From the daily time frame, I'm still seeing a downtrend on this trade. I'm seeing a downtrend on this trade. Then on the 4-hour time frame, I'm willing to sell. I'm interested in selling in AUD USD, just that they are correlated with Euro USD. I'm interested in selling in AUD USD. Yeah, I'm very interested in selling in AUD USD because on the 1-hour time frame, it has given us a clean, clear head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern, a clean, clear head and shoulder pattern. The trend is telling us it's a downtrend. We confirmed the bias on the 4-hour time frame. Then on the 1-hour time frame, I'm seeing a good chart pattern that indicates that. All right. Then let's check on the 15 minutes time frame. This is a pure sell. This is a pure sell. Okay, but I won't be entering this because I've already entered on Euro USD. I've already entered on Euro USD. So, but if you'll be entering it, for those that will be entering, okay, for those that will be entering or that didn't enter Euro USD, for those that will be entering, this is my entry point. It's still at the peak. It's still at the peak. So if you want to enter, it's still at the peak 1:2. This is a clear sharp 1:2. A clear sharp 1:2. A clear sharp 1:2. Okay. If you guys are following me, let me see yes on the comment section. Let me know that you guys are actually following me. All right. Let me see you type yes on the comment section. It will give me the bias that you guys are actually following me. All right. If you guys are following me, type yes on the comment section. Okay, good. All right. Yeah, thank you guys. That is good. That is cool. All right, for AUD USD, my bias is a sell, 30 pips stop loss. If you're entering, you let me know. Then I'll call out the take profit for you. Okay? Good. Then, before now, and let me analyze this trade before we go into gold. Euro CHF. I am on this trade on Euro CHF. I am on a sell on Euro CHF, but let me analyze it from the beginning for you guys, all right? Good. In Euro CHF, the trend here is a downtrend from the onset. The trend here is a downtrend from the onset. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can see clearly that it's still on the downtrend, giving us a double top on the 4-hour time frame, push down, break this zone, retrace back again. Currently, I'm expecting a push down from this zone. This is our first target. These are our first target, second target, then third target. This is all my targets on Euro CHF. Okay, these are my targets on Euro CHF. But I have a clean entry. This is on the 1-hour time frame, though not that clean per se. Let me check on the 15 minutes. Good. All right, someone should post me an alarm in the next 9 minutes. And let me see, because this I entered somewhere here because of this fresh bearish candle, this bearish engulfing candle. That was what made me enter. But the market rally up. Currently, all I just know that it's going to sell. There's a liquidity up here, which I think is done grabbing up the liquidity. But what I want you guys to do for me is to keep this on your chart, keep watching it. After 8 minutes, let me see what this current red candlestick, the closure of it will determine if you guys will enter now or not. Okay, the closure of it will determine if you guys will enter now or not. All right, good. Okay, someone said XL on AUD USD. Okay, good. The XL on AUD USD, let me mark this. The XL on AUD USD is 0.6, 30 pip stop loss, 0.6591, 0.6591, 0.6591. But I forgot to even check something. I really forgot to check something. Let me check what we have to do. Let me see any fundamental news today. It didn't occur to me under all this period that we just analyzed. It didn't occur to me. I just remembered now. Okay. Today is Thursday. We are free. We are free. We are free. So any of this currency period, there's no high impact news on it at all. All right. So we are totally free. We can ride it to any level we want to. All right. So the stop loss on this is 0.6591. 0.6591. While the take profit is 64 pips, which is 0.6496. 0.6496. 0.6496. Okay, the pair we are going to wait for after 8 minutes is Euro CHF. The current candlestick forming on the 15 minutes time frame, the closure determine our entry. Okay, the closure of that candlestick will determine our entry. All right, but I'm already on the sell on the trade, but I'm looking for a very cool candlestick pattern that will enable us for you guys to enter. All right, good. Then I think I've called the stop loss and take profit on AUD USD. I think I've called it for you guys. Then let's check gold. What do we have on gold? What do we have on gold? Okay. Okay. From the daily time frame, what do I see? All right, I am willing to dive in for a sell on gold. From what I'm seeing here, if I see a clear chart pattern or a good candlestick pattern that confirms my bias for a sell, I will sell good. Okay, I'm seeing something good. I'm still seeing something good. I'm still seeing something good. Okay, I will just scalp. All right, do you know what will happen? This market is going to reverse. This gold is going to reverse back to this level, to somewhere here. So I'm willing to enter a sell from this zone. Then 100 pips stop loss. Take profit, sorry. Well, I have to wait for a reversal, a little bit retracement. That is what I'm going to wait for. All right, this is what I am expecting on gold. I'm waiting for just a little retracement back to this entry. Then I push down. I push downward. All right. I push downward. That is my bias on gold currently. That's my bias on gold. Then someone said we should check where are the currency pairs CHF JPY. We just took trade on only Euro USD, right? We took trade on only Euro USD. Let's have it at the back of our mind. We took trade on only Euro USD. All right, then let's check CHF JPY. What do we have in CHF JPY? Okay, from the time frame, from the time zone, from the trend, I'm seeing an uptrend. I'm seeing an uptrend. I'm still seeing a pure clean uptrend. On the 1 hour too, I'm seeing an uptrend. In short, this is a clear entry. I am ready to even buy from this zone. I'm ready to buy straight. But before then, let me check what we have on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, I'm willing to write it up. This is a very good risk to reward ratio. 40 pips stop loss. It's a very good risk to reward ratio. Let me get the risk to reward on the 1 hour time frame. One is to 2 or 5. I'm entering. Okay, CHF JPY, buy. CHF JPY. Forty pips stop loss. CHF JPY. 40 pips stop loss, all right? CH. One is to 2.5. One is to 2.5. One is to, okay, AUD card. He said, someone said we should check AUD card. Let's check AUD card again. AUD card, what do we have in AUD card? Do we analyze it before? I think so. My bias on AUD card is up. Let me check from a daily time frame to confirm my bias. Okay. Okay. This, I'm still seeing a downtrend. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. But let's check the 4 hours to see if there is any contradiction. But yes, there is contradiction. Okay. 1 hour. Sitting on this zone. I will be selling at this point. I'll be selling at this point. I'll be selling at this point. But let us wait for a candlestick pattern confirmation before we dive in for a sell, okay? Let's mark this on our chart. Let's mark it on our chart and wait for our candlestick pattern. All right, the TP, yeah, we are buying CHF JPY, CHF JPY, CHF JPY. We are buying CHF JPY. The TP on the CHF JPY, take profit and stop loss on CHF JPY. I'm going to call it out now for you. This stop loss is 168.72. 168.72. 168.72. CHF JPY. XL 168.72. TP. I'm doing 1:2.5. TP 170.31. I think it's clear. 170.31. Okay. Okay. All right. AUD-CHF, did we analyze AUD-CHF? We are yet to analyze. We just took trade on Euro USD. We took trade on, we took trade too again on AUD USD. We are yet to get a confirmation yet on this AUD card. If I see another bearish candle here, then I'm willing to enter for a sell straight up, no joke. Then Euro CHF, for God, it has moved though. It has moved. I told you guys to help me confirm, to remind me. You guys didn't remind me. You guys did not remind me. Huh. Okay, but it's still good for an entry. It's still good for an entry. We are shorting this. It's still good for an entry. 20 pip stop loss. Now let's do 20 pip stop loss. It's a good one for 20 pip stop loss. I'm writing this down like it's a long time, okay? But first I will do one is to two. But I will write it down very, 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 very well. You can enter at this zone, guys. You can enter at this zone now. You can enter at this zone. You can enter at this zone, 20 pips stop loss. I'm already on the trade, so I won't be able to enter again. 20 pips stop loss. You can enter at that zone. And let me tell you, my it has given me a good two clean bearish engulfing candle. Two clean bearish engulfing candle, okay? So we have two trades that we entered. Please, if you enter this trade, let me see a confirmation of yes, yes, yes on the comment section. Euro CHF. Let me see the confirmation on the comment section that you entered. Euro CHF. Are you there? Are you following? Good. Mr. Ayomide, you entered. Good, that is nice. I'll be writing this thing very, very deep. All right. And let me show you the reason why I'll be writing it deep. I spotted it earlier today on the daily time frame. I spotted it earlier today. This is my first target, second target, third target. It has touched these two zones. This is where I'm expecting it to get. Then on the 4-hour time frame, you can see it clearly. All right, so it's clear. So we write this thing very down. It might even be till next week. I don't mind, but I will write it very, very down. Okay, giving me a double top here, reverse to this zone where it should normally reverse and keep pushing down. So I'll be writing this thing down, 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 down. All right. So if you entered this trade, you let me know on the comment section that you entered Euro CHF. Let me know you entered Euro CHF. Okay, that is nice. Akubulo Emmanuel, you did. You're welcome. Good. So someone said we should check USD card. We should check USD card. What do we have in USD card? Haha. Okay. USD card have taken me out multiple times this week. I'm seeing an uptrend on USD card. This is a clear uptrend on USD card. I'm seeing an uptrend on USD card. Uptrend on USD card. So I am willingly to buy even in the 4-hour time frame. You can see it from your confirmation that it's clearly an uptrend. Okay, it's clearly an uptrend. That is what I see. Do it give us an head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hour time frame, but I won't use that to judge. I follow the trend. And again, it has touched, price has touched here multiple times. Go back, retrace back to that same point, went back again, come back to that same point, went back again. Currently, it's back to that same point. So the price has touched that particular zone multiple times, indicating that there is a strong rejection at this zone. Let me mark it for you so you can see clearly. So there's a strong rejection at this zone. Are you seeing it, guys? There's a strong rejection at this zone. A strong one at that zone. So, and this is a very good indicator that is going to give us a good buy, but nevertheless, let's just confirm this candlestick pattern on the 1-hour time frame. Okay. So currently this is sitting on this particular resistance. It's sitting on this particular resistance here currently. Let me mark it. So sitting at this particular zone, one when I'm interested to enter for a buy on this zone, let me check the 15 minutes time frame to see if I will see something different. Let me you can see it clearly here. This is what I'm expecting to see. If it break here and reverse back to this point I just marked, I am willing to enter a buy up to this level. This is what I'm expecting. If it breaks here, close back again, reverse back again, I'm willing to enter a buy to this level. Whereas this is a clear double bottom. This is a clear double bottom. A clear double bottom. But I won't want to be a liquidity. So let the liquidity play, because this is what might probably happen here. This sign you are seeing here might be a liquidity. Just sell to this point, liquidate us, and keep going to our direction. But for that not to happen, let's just run away from that. Let us just wait till when it's done liquidating and move up to this level, reverse back to this entry, then we enter at this zone and push up. All right, good. My entry price in CHF JPY, my entry price in CHF JPY is 169.139. That's my entry price in CHF JPY. Then stop loss and TP in Euro CHF. Stop loss and TP in Euro CHF. Let me type it out for you guys. Though I entered, let me check where you guys entered. I've entered long before you guys entered, so I won't call my own stop loss for you guys. Euro CHF. Okay, somewhere here. You enter somewhere here. So stop loss is 0.20 pip stop loss, 20 pip stop loss in Euro CHF. Stop loss is 0.9570. 0.9570. 0.9570. Okay, 0.9570. 0.9570. Then TP, just like I said, let me go back to the 4-hour time frame. I will leave my TP open. I will leave my TP open. Once it breaks this particular zone, and you are okay with it, which is about 34 pips, or let us do 1:2, which is 40 pips. Once it gets to this zone, 40 pips, it's clear here, good. Then, and you still don't want to write it down, there is no problem. You can exit the market, but I will be holding this trade till next week. If it didn't take me out on time, I'll be holding this trade till next week. Okay, but the TP for Euro CHF TP2 1:2 is 0.95966. 0.95966. 0.95966. Is it clear? I just dropped it. 0.95966 TP. XL, let me type it for you guys out. 096570. TP. TP is 095966. Okay, this is for Euro CHF. This is for Euro CHF. Okay, even in that Euro CHF, me looking at the 1 hour candle for you to confirm my bias. Me looking at the 1 hour candle, you are going to see a fresh bearish engulfing candle. A fresh bearish engulfing candle. A fresh bearish engulfing candle. All right, good. Good. Let's check up on other trades we have. Okay, our euros USD is still dancing. AUD USD still dancing. We took trade on how many currency pairs? On 3 currency pairs: Euro CHF, CHF JPY, and Euro USD. Okay. Okay. This Euro CHF actually about doing well for us. About going well for us. Okay. Then Euro USD still at the same time at the peak of going well. If you are yet to enter, you can enter comfortably at this zone. Okay. Good. Then CHFJPY. CHFJPY. This is the pair. CHFJPY. I entered for a buy. Okay, it's about going well too as well. So, but nevertheless, let's just hold on. Look at this fresh engulfing bullish candle that indicates us for a buy. Okay. So, nevertheless, if you have any question, we are about coming to an end for this Thursday live section. We have spent about 1 hour live. We have spent about 1 hour live on this trade. We have spent about 1 hour live. If you really want to know how we analyze trade and take profit back to back, the way we have been doing it here in Trade Wave Limited, or you want to join our Cash Club 500 mentorship program, just hit us on our DM and we'll show you how we analyze trades like this. Okay. Prayer before now, I want you to have this at the back of your mind that trading is not for the weak, it's for the strong. Okay. And for you to be profitable in trading, you really need to have a consistent learning structure. Never you give up, keep on learning structure. Before many of us could get to this level, it takes us years. And for our CEO so far, which is not currently available, he has a lot of experience that has actually shaped the forex market. So if you really want to know how to trade, or you will need any of our services, hit us up on our DM, or you want to join any of our community members to see updates on what we normally do. The link will be there. I think someone should send me the link. Mr. Obina. Yeah. Send me the link, I beg. To YouTube? No. Group. Telegram. To the YouTube comments, only? Telegram channel. Well, any other question you can ask, okay? You can ask any question before we call it a day. You can ask any other question before you call it a day. If you're hearing me, just type yes, yes, yes. Let me know that you guys are hearing me. You can ask any other question before we call it a day. All right? All right. Absence of none. I think we'll be calling it a day. Good market trends. I see you. Yes. Absence of none. I think we are going to call it a day. Let's await. We give you updates on the group chat, on the community, on groups that you guys belongs to. If you want to join any of our programs, want to learn how to trade like a pro, it was okay. Okay, GBP USD 1 hour. Let's check that for the last time. Then I call it a day. GBP USD. This is crazy. Let's check what is happening. At the same time, I'm still seeing a downtrend, but I'm not seeing a good entry at this point because of this bullish candle that I'm seeing here. But there's a rejection, there's going to be a strong rejection at this zone. Let me mark it. There's going to be a strong, at this zone currently, there's going to be a very strong rejection at that zone. And today there is no news. There is no news today on either GBP or USD. So on the 1 hour, let's check what we have there on the 1 hour. I'm not seeing anything good that will enable me to enter for a sell currently, though it's a downtrend. But I'm here to see something that will encourage me to enter for a sell. Let me check the 15 minutes to see if there is any that will encourage me. Okay. All right. This is what I'm looking up to now on GBP USD on the 15 minutes time frame. If I see something like this, I'm willing to push it down again. This is what I'm expecting on GBP USD. This is what I'm expecting on GBP USD. Okay, so if I see something like that, I'm willing to push down straight up. No jokes. If I see something like that, I'll be willing to push down the trade. All right, but for now, I'm not actually entering. Okay, Mr. Send me the link, please. Please. Send me the link, please. Fast. Have you sent it?
Your WhatsApp, Abi?
Yeah. I'm waiting.
3 seconds. Sent.
Oh, okay, good. Here's the link to our Telegram channel. You can join. We post about updates, most of our updates in this channel. Don't lose guard. There's a lot of money to be made in this forex market. Without any other thing, I think this is how we are going to come to the end of today's Thursday live trading section. See you guys next week, next channel, next location, the same time, the same location, the same time too as well. So cheers to wealth. Take care and bye-bye. You're welcome, sir. Hit the link before you leave, please, okay? Mr. Anthony, with what I'm seeing, 60%, 61% no. The trend is a downtrend. I can't actually say purely but the trade is a downtrend, and I'm expecting a fall any moment from now. The reason why you see a spike, which is that blue candle, that blue bullish candle you saw that made it break the other zone by the left, is because of there is news around 10 o'clock on GBP, and that was what happened. Okay, that was what happened. Good. So for now, I'm just expecting a downtrend. If I couldn't see a double top on the 15 minutes time frame and on 1 hour, I'm not interested in entering or selling. Okay. Cheers. Take care, guys. Have a nice day.